I was just thinking, guys, how the law is embedded throughout all governments today on earth, and that tells me that Jehovah's law, the foundation of all those laws, would be the Ten Commandments. And isn't that interesting, because then that puts Jehovah in line or in control of the world systems still. But the question then is, if that is true, how does that then show that the devil is in control if Jehovah's laws are embedded in society? 1 John 5:19 says the whole world's lying in the power of the wicked one. And yet it seems that Jehovah's laws are in place, unless you would say they're the wicked one's laws, if the wicked one is separate. But the wicked one doesn't seem to have any laws, right? I mean, what laws has he put out? None. If we're saying he's separate, but he's not. They are one of the same person. And this world is run by law and order. And that's interesting. Charlie Kirk gave a beautiful explanation of the American Constitution, saying that they embedded the law in there many times. It is based on the law, God's law, Torah. So that's just something to think about, guys, when we're making this case about who is who. Jehovah is the wicked one, because we are not, and we are not, as believers, living in a world that is from the Father at all. In fact, we're encouraged to walk in the Spirit, not by the law, because where there is law, there's transgression. Right? It's for lawless people. That's what the law is for lawless people. But we are not lawless if we are walking in the Spirit. Kind of makes you think, what is our deal then? Our deal is to walk in the Spirit by a Spirit begotten, because we're Spirit begotten by a Father who is definitely not controlling this world. Christ is, and we are guided to walk in the Spirit. And remember, the law is a curse. And the law is a ministry of death by the Apostle Paul. That's what he wrote. And people are being blinded by the law. So people are still under this influence of blindness today. As long as you continually walk under the law, you're in a yoke of slavery, according to Paul. It is a yoke of slavery. So it's just a reminder for us. I just wanted to share this reminder that continue walking in the Spirit, friends, as a believer, and you won't have the same stresses of those who are blinded by law or walking under the law. Whereas as we walk as free people in a law-driven world, we will be free even in that sense, because by nature we won't be doing anything wrong because of who we are as born-again believers. Anyway, just some thoughts. Let me know what you think if you want to. Take care.